Fix bad credit score fast, step by step. Number 1, a bad credit score can feel stressful, but the good news is that it can be improved with smart and consistent actions. Number 2, the first step is checking your current score so you know exactly where you stand today. Number 3, many people ignore money problems until bills arrive, but facing the issue early gives you more control. Number 4, searching for solutions is already progress, because knowledge is the first step to financial recovery. Number 5, high balances, missed payments, and debt can damage your score faster than most people realize. Number 6, reviewing your expenses helps you understand where your money is going every month. Number 7, writing a debt payoff plan gives you direction and turns stress into action. Number 8, marking due dates on a calendar helps you avoid future late payments. Number 9, closing unnecessary credit accounts can help reduce temptation and improve habits. Number 10, putting cards away creates distance between impulse, spending, and smart decisions. Number 11, removing shopping apps reduces daily temptation and helps control overspending. Number 12, a monthly budget gives every dollar a purpose and helps rebuild financial stability. Number 13, organizing bills into categories makes payments easier to manage. Number 14, paying essential bills on time protects your score from further damage. Number 15, setting automatic payments is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent. Number 16, every successful payment builds momentum toward a stronger credit profile. Number 17, on-time payments are one of the biggest factors in improving your credit score. Number 18, payment reminders help you stay ahead and avoid expensive mistakes. Number 19, paying down credit card balances lowers debt and improves credit utilization. Number 20, as balances drop, your score often begins to improve over time. Number 21, even small extra payments can speed up your debt payoff journey. Number 22, every dollar you put toward debt brings you closer to freedom. Number 23, earning extra income can accelerate your recovery much faster. Number 24, small side income streams can make a big difference over time. Number 25, sending extra money directly to debt is a smart long-term move. Number 26, lower credit utilization is one of the fastest ways to boost your score. Number 27, checking your credit report helps you spot errors or outdated information. Number 28, correcting mistakes on your report can lead to real score improvements. Number 29, contacting lenders shows responsibility and may open better options. Number 30, negotiating lower interest rates can reduce costs and speed repayment. Number 31, refinancing certain debts may create lower monthly payments. Number 32, comparing offers carefully helps you choose the smartest financial option. Number 33, avoiding unnecessary shopping protects your budget and your progress. Number 34, removing items from your cart can be a powerful financial habit. Number 35, cooking at home saves money that can go toward debt payments. Número 36, meal prep. Keep spending low and financial goals on track. Number 37, selling and used items turns clutter into cash for debt reduction. Number 38, extra money from sold items can be used immediately for progress. Number 39, tracking your score monthly keeps you motivated and focused. Number 40, watching your score rise proves that discipline works. Number 41, celebrate small wins because progress builds confidence. Number 42, talking openly about money goals creates support and accountability. Number 43, building an emergency fund helps prevent future debt problems. Number 44, better credit can lead to approvals and lower interest opportunities. Number 45, a stronger score can help with housing applications and better choices. Number 46, good credit can also support career and financial confidence. Number 47, when you control your money habits, your future becomes brighter. Number 48, start today, stay consistent, and your bad credit score can become a success story. Number 49, disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Number 50, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to fix their credit fast.